Okay, Ragang. Come here, Gang. Yeah, sure. Ang init ngayon. Oh my God, pawis na pawis ako. Good morning, guys. Again, thank you so much, everyone. We reached 2 million followers here on Facebook, and I'm really happy, and because of that, we're gonna celebrate it. Yee! Ang init! So, it's my... Pailang days ko na ba ito dito sa Siargao? I think it's my 7th day here in Siargao. So, I still have few more days. And... ano pa bang magandang gawin dito? Suggest kayo guys kung ano yung mga magandang activities na magandang gawin dito. Grabe yung video natin na naligo tayo ng ulan. Nag-trending guys. Almost 20 million views na tayo. And, yep. Share lang kayo ng share para abot tayo ng more than 20 million views. So, this is just a quick live kasi magsuswimming ako. Look at my view. Whoa! Shout out sa ating mga sharers sa ating live. Thank you so much po. Just keep on supporting me para mas marami tayong mga videos and photos na magagawa. So yeah, I think magsiswimming na ako ngayon guys kasi tinatawag na ako ng tubig. Look. Look at that view. Sobrang ganda. Kasing ganda ko ba? Pawis na ako. Look at that. Wet look na tayo. Bye, guys! Oh, nag-reach tayo ng 1K views. Alis ba tayo or not? Ayan, nag 1K views. Sige, let's have a few more minutes. Shout out from Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Hi to Rex Manor. Hi! 1.1K. Thank you guys. Bye guys! Ayan, magsiswimming na ako. I love you all. Again, thank you so much everyone for the help. For me to reach 2 million followers here on Facebook. I love you all.